Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a washi haul. These I've had for like 2 weeks, so I already have them open, but they came just like a Simply Gilded or these ones from the PAPERDOVE shop. But I opened them and I've been using them, so that's why they're open. So let's start with these guys, because I got these from OHPAPERIE, I believe. So this is a 10 millimeter one. Let me zoom in some for you. And I love this one so much, so I can roll this out. Although I feel like, you know, I'm gonna wait to roll it out because then it'll be really distracting. So this is a fun, like, purple. I don't know if that's gonna come on camera. Purple to pink ombre with that geometric design. And this one's probably my favorite, which is also probably my most used one. I love this one so much. And this might be my second favorite, I'm not gonna lie. So this is just a moon and star one with some clouds. So fun. And then this one kind of sticks out to me. I mean, like, not terribly, like the colors are kind of similar, but it's kind of the odd one out. But I feel like people just love throwing a floral because they're gonna have kind of the same reaction I have. Yeah, it doesn't really fit, but I'm not mad. That's at least how I feel. So I was able to snag this bundle because it came with all of these, and then these little bows, which are so cute. So now I will roll them out for you. So I'll put this one kind of up here. This is not sticking. Yeah, okay. Have I used this one yet? Okay, well, that's not a good sign. Maybe if well, don't buy that one. I think that might be one of the only ones I haven't used. I'm terrible at this. Don't ask me to ever do this again. You didn't ask me, so it's fine. Maybe it's just my table, but I feel like everybody rolls their washi out on their table and it's like acceptable. I'm thinking it might just be the table. Cause I don't know if I've used that. I'll have to check in my thing. There we go. I'll zoom out. I feel like I wasn't even in frame enough because I started rolling before looking up at my thing. One thing I did notice in a couple of the designs, I don't know if you can see here, you can see a break in the design, and that happens, I think I've noticed it only on these two. I think you can see it right there, that it's not like a seamless pattern, but to be honest, it's like whatever. I don't know if I have used, I feel like I might have though. The little bows. I have, okay. So this is when I got it. I got it on the 16th and I have used it. So I think it's the table, it's just not sticking to the table because these all stick. And if you're wondering, that was leg day, that's why. There's like a sexy lady leg on there. So yeah, these are from OHPAPERIE. And I want to bring it up on Etsy. She is no longer on Etsy, and I didn't realize that because I don't actually see a bunch of her Instagram stuff, or she wasn't really posting on Instagram. And I kind of went into a panic because when I went to her shop, it said she no longer exists, and I was like, so where are my washis? Because they took a very long time to get here. And I didn't realize she was in the Philippines until after, and I was like, oh my God, she's no longer there. And then I was like, well, let's be smart here. Let me go see if I can track down her Instagram. And I was able to find her Instagram. And a bunch of other people were asking the same question, like, where are you? Where's my package? I still haven't gotten it. So that didn't didn't set me out to be like, oh crap, this is actually okay. So I started panicking a little bit, but we made it. I got them. I wish there was more communication. If you were going to literally delete your Etsy shop, that you would say that you deleted your Etsy shop. So I ordered these March 27th, and they shipped from the Philippines April 11th, so about a 2-week processing time, and then I got them, what'd I say, May 16th, so 5 weeks to get here from the Philippines to the US. So long time, no tracking, panicked a little bit, but we're here, we made it, and I would order again. All right, now that we're like a billion hours in, this is from the PAPERDOVE shop. Hers came with a card. Since I have Etsy open, I ordered hers on April 19th, and it shipped the 21st. No, that was when I got it, which is today. Louis is literally knocking my thing over. Let me see when it shipped. It shipped May 11th, and I got it on the 21st. So it took a very long time to ship. 4 things of washi. I don't know if she didn't have them yet, or these were like a pre-sale. I don't remember them like advertising as long, but I guess I could go look. But it did take a long time for me. Personally, let's see, item details. Yeah, it doesn't say like on the listing if it was pre-sale or not, but if I go look at her processing times, it does say 4 to 5 weeks, which I didn't order any stickers, so I was surprised mine took that long. But I got a journaling card. A nap is always a good idea. Girl, I agree. And then little lashes, and then little PAPERDOVE. I love her logo. I love, love, love her logo. And then you can see here, I haven't opened these, but look how pretty these are. So I am going to open them. I'm not one of those people that doesn't use my washi. There's no thing to pull. So I got this one, and there was a bunch of different colors. I almost got them all, I'm not gonna lie. I'll open them in a sec. This is the reason I ordered, right here, is this marble dripping one. This is like one of her original designs that she came out with, and I never picked it up because I don't find I use washi in my Erin Condren very much. I mean, I have been using bows, well, the little that I have, although I have more now. And then, of course, naturally, I'm going to pick up a bow, and this is the outline version of a bow on marble. And then I got the solid silver on the black marble. So I don't know if that's gonna come up. There we go. Like, how pretty is that? So I'm gonna roll these out. These are very slippery. Oh, are these, am I an idiot? Do most washings roll this way? And I'm just like on the struggle bus? No? Okay. I was like, I feel like most washis roll the other way. Okay. I thought I was crazy. It's okay to be unique. And then we got this bow. I'll go below it. I really like this. Oh, and it is kind of clear. It's supposed to be. It's not quite lined up, but it is a clear, like see-through, but it's not lined up, so it's not really. It's just kind of off. It was a good thought. And then we have the dripping, which I love. This is like hands down my favorite. Her is like super silky. Am I just like I said, I'm very tactile. Like these don't feel like that. Like these are really silky. I think this could go either way, but I think the color is supposed to go on the bottom. Ah, see, I'm terrible at like staging a cute picture. But yeah, so that's where we're at. Probably should have started lower. I could move my desk. No, wrong way. Anyway, so this is where we're at. These are so cute. There's a break in the pattern here, but it's not that bad. It's just shifted up a little bit, but these are really silky. I'm thoroughly happy with the washi I've been getting. I know I said I don't really use that much washi, but I use it in my Hobonichi Technical, right? Is that what it is? Techno. Oh, that's a perfect example. That's when I got my Simply Gilded one, and I can put it up at, I don't know, put it somewhere, that I did get the washi. And so like I use washi quite a bit in here. Like you can see here, like I do use washi. So, and I actually I'm going back because I haven't filled this out because I got this late, but like I use washi in here mostly, and then I've been trying to incorporate it into my Erin Condren as well. So I definitely love me some washi, and I like fancy washi. I'm a snob, okay? All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.